battle. My boasts and encounters fills me to be the strongest and ablest warrior around. My youth, I personified all of the best values of the heroic culture. My old age, I proved a wise and effective ruler. I have done many repeated battles for our Lord, never of grandeur, attacking other people, and I am here to stop him. Once before a battle, I killed 5 giants and I will kill this dragon too. He will allow me to. I heard that he doesn't use any weapons when he fights, so I will fight him with my bare hands. You will pay for what you have done to keep God's people. You shall not live to see the next sunlight. Yes!
Teacher assigned me the stories or the story of the legend. Guys, I don't have any idea about the story and even the characters of the story. Ate, have you watched the movie? Can you tell us something about the characters?
I know them! Siegfried, Kriemhild, Gunther, and Brunhild are the characters, right, Ate? Exactly, very, very good.
Have you watched the movie?
Yes, Ate. Both of us watched the movie last night, but we're unable to finish it because we have the same brain.
Okay then, let me tell you a short story. Well, the Nibelungenlied is an epic poem from the Middle High Germany. The story centers on the dragon slayer, Siegfried, on the court of the Burgundians, how he was murdered and all his wife, Kriemhild revenge. Siegfried is the prince of the Netherlands. Gunther is the king of the Burgundy, while Brunhild is the beautiful Amazon-like princess.
Like me!
On the Rhine in the Netherlands. I am the son of King Sigmund and Queen Sieglind. I am Siegfried, the Dragon Slayer. I am noble, strong, courageous, and honorable. I have killed the dragon from here and bathed in his blood, which made me invincible against all weapons. No mortal can defeat me in combat. I acquired the treasure of the Nibelungs. I want Brunhild for Gunther.
I am Kriemhild. I am the wife of Siegfried and Axel. I only saw the young hero from a distance, and I have fallen in love with Siegfried. It was only after the war against the Saxons that I was introduced to Siegfried.
Siegfried would help me with Brunhilde, the warrior queen of Iceland. Though I show myself as a great warrior, my strength was no match for Brunhilde. The only way I could marry her if I could defeat Brunhilde in a contest of strength. I and my followers would die hours to lose. I only defeated Brunhilde because of Siegfried's strength, and that the hero was also invisible. Brunhilde had no choice but to marry me.
I am Queen Brunhilde of Iceland. Tidings of my great beauty had extended me as far as birth. And King Gunther, the sea very sought me to win me as wife. However, I was renowned not only for my beauty, but also for my vast strength. As well as for my skill at throwing the javelins, hurling away, and leaping a great distance. Any man who sought to marry me was required to return me in 3 contests. The prize for the victory would be I myself. The penalty for defeat was the loss of one head. Many of the suitors had challenged me and feared me, but until now, no one had defeated me, and all had lost their heads. I am the Valkyrie, or a queen of the Melanesian who loved the hero of Siegfried, but when he deceived me, I had him killed.
I came to save you for our hospitalities. You are always welcome. I know that the treasure has brought your kingdom misfortune and bloodshed, and for that I apologize. Please, Siegfried, many wars are fought over golden treasure. No army ever waged war with a hero such as you among them. You didn't destroy lives. You saved them. You have done the kingdom of Bergen a great service. I want to make your sister my queen before I return to my kingdom.
Did you